Joining us now from New York City is Scott Schober. He's president and CEO of Berkeley Varitronics Systems. It's a provider of advanced world-class wireless test and security solutions. Scott, great to have you on again. China is investing a lot of time and money to be the global leader in AI. So what will it take to get there, and what are some of the challenges ahead?
Yeah, they certainly are. They've been heavily investing there, really billions of dollars. And the government is certainly behind it. They're supporting not just from R&D firms, but startups, and that's really helping them grow much, much quicker. In fact, last year there's over 90,000 robots that have been purchased and being used throughout China to improve everything, as was mentioned there, in the medical field and automation in so many different areas. It's allowing China really to catch up and now become the leader in robotics, which is going to have a huge impact on the bottom line.
So, it all sounds great, robot technology, life-changing. I know I would love a robot to do my laundry and clean my house, but it also can be scary in some ways. So what's the balance here? Are there any negatives, or should we just follow the future?
Well, it certainly is the future, robots, and you make a great point there. There are some negatives. Right away, everybody thinks naturally jobs. It's going to take away a lot of jobs. And there's some truth to it. Probably mid-level jobs will be affected the most, where some people will lose a job. But actually, there's many studies that are out there now that are showing that the improved productivity that robots will provide with automation will actually, in some ways, improve jobs. And more jobs will be needed for people to be collaborative, working alongside robots. And now productivity will increase tenfold. So companies will be able to profit, and it will affect their bottom line. So there's some positive news there on the job front as of late. So look forward to seeing that. But all uses are not practical for robots. That's certainly there. There's still a human touch that's needed.
And what about when it comes to security? I know people are also concerned about what a robot or what artificial intelligence may be able to take from you or your home. How do you address those concerns?
Well, there are huge, huge areas of concern there with artificial intelligence. Again, $150 billion industry just in China alone. The government is investing a ton of money there. And even here within the United States, out of Silicon Valley, a lot of the research and the startups are happening in China because there's so much of a need there. But security is a concern there. They have to spend a little bit more time and be careful, because some of that big data that can be used along with artificial intelligence, if hackers are really targeting it, it easily could compromise systems and then cause major havoc from a security standpoint. So a lot more research and development has to be put forth to keeping things safe and secure, and only the future will tell.
And Scott, with all of this demand, how would you advise a young person who wants to make a career in robots or AI? Have you seen that there has been an increase in university or job training programs growing?
Yeah, absolutely. Fabulous point there. Lots of young age students are now joining robotic clubs, taking an interest there in technology and computers, computer science, and seeing how they crisscross, especially tied in with robotics and artificial intelligence. So I encourage young ones to really grasp that and learn about it. It's the future. I enjoyed it as a child up through college, taking robotic courses and building robots, and it continues to blow my mind how advanced robots are now, but especially what the future holds. So exciting things to come. So be part of it, young ones.
Great advice. Always great to hear from you. Scott Schober in New York, thank you.